Welcome back to your daily dose of market insights with Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella. It's a brand new day, Tuesday morning, and I'm here to give you the scoop on what went down in the stock market yesterday. So let's dive right in. All right, folks. So yesterday was quite the day on Wall Street. After a long Thanksgiving weekend, investors were back in action, pulling stocks in all directions. The vibe was, well, mixed, but the major indexes are still looking pretty solid for the month. The Dow Jones Industrial Average took a tiny dip, just about 0.1% or roughly 50 points down. Not a biggie, right? Meanwhile, the Standard & Poor's 500 also had a small loss, about 0.06%. But hey, the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite managed to stay in the green, up by around 0.2%. Now here's the interesting part. We've seen this rally in stocks through November, fueled by high hopes that the US might put a pause on interest rate hikes. This optimism has set the Dow up for its strongest month since last October, and the Nasdaq and Standard & Poor's are looking at their best since July 2022. And if you're wondering about the market mood, the VIX, which is like Wall Street's fear barometer, was super low on Friday, the lowest since January 2020. Monday's mood was a bit more subdued, but still, things are looking hopeful. However, heads up everyone. There's a fresh reading on PCE inflation coming up on Thursday, and that's the Federal Reserve's go-to gauge for consumer prices. This could really test the market's rally. And while we wait for that, investors are keeping an eye on Cyber Monday updates. We're all curious to see if Americans are still in the mood to splurge on holiday shopping, given that purse strings are tightening a bit. Oh, and by the way, Black Friday online sales went up 7.5% from last year, hitting a record $9.8 billion. Talk about shopping fever. So that's the wrap for yesterday's market action. A mixed bag, but still riding on a wave of optimism. Keep your eyes peeled for Thursday's inflation report, and let's see how it plays out. Until tomorrow, keep investing smart and stay tuned to Capital Markets Quickie for your quick market updates.